Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Producers of a live event manage the event and can also present. They can start and stop the event, control what is shared, and can also perform all presenter duties. Presenters present at the live event and can moderate Q&A sessions, share audio, video, and their screen to the audience. Only the event organizer or someone assigned the role of producer can access the producer screen in Teams. To begin producing the event, click the Calendar button in the app bar, locate the live event, double-click it, and then click the Join button in the invitation window. Select your camera and microphone options, and then click the Join Now button. The producer screen opens in setup mode and displays Pre-Live at the top of the window. The producer screen consists of three main areas. The live event area at the right side of the screen shows what is currently live and visible to the audience. To the left is the queue, which shows what is coming up next. The share tray at the bottom of the window contains the videos and content that you can add to the queue. You can change how the content appears to the audience in the queue window before it goes live. To show a single window of either video or content, click the Single Source button below the queue. To create a split screen with shared content to the left and a video feed to the right, click the Content Left button below the queue instead. If you choose the split screen, you must click into each queue pane individually, and then click to select the content for the left pane, and click to select a video for the right pane from the choices shown in the share tray. Currently, note that only one choice for content can be shared at a time in a live event for all presenters and producers for both the queue and live event panes, although that is expected to change in the future. However, you can queue multiple video feeds. To share opened content from your computer, like a window or your desktop, click the Share button at the right end of the share tray. When sharing content, you can check the Include System Audio checkbox to play your computer's sounds when sharing content if desired. Then select What to share. The content is then shared in Teams as if in a meeting. You can click the minimized producer window in the lower right corner of the screen to return to the producer screen. The content then appears as a choice in the share tray. To stop sharing the content, click the Stop Sharing button at the right end of the share tray. Presenters can also choose to share content, which then appears as a labeled choice within the share tray. To add the currently shared content or video to the queue, click to select a pane in the queue if needed, and then click to select the available content or video in the share tray. To move what appears in the queue pane to the live event pane to share it live, click the Send Live button below the queue. Then repeat the process of selecting the video or content to next add to the queue from the share tray. To go live with your event, click the Start button below the live event pane. It's important to note that the audience views a live event with a 20 to 30 second delay. It's also important to note that once you begin, you cannot stop and then restart a live event. Make sure you are ready to go live, and then click the Continue button to confirm. The event's status changes to Live at the top of the window. During a live event, all attendees are automatically muted. You can mute producers or presenters not actively speaking, so their audio isn't broadcast live to the audience. To mute a presenter or producer, click the Mute button in their video thumbnail in the share tray. You can also click the Mute All button to mute all producers and presenters at once. In the upper right corner of the producer screen is the Live Event toolbar, which contains buttons that open and close associated panes. These panes let you monitor the live event, manage attendees, and facilitate the Q&A area. You can click the Health and Performance button to view the network and device metrics to monitor bandwidth, resolution, and more. Clicking Q&A shows audience questions which are moderated by presenters and producers. We'll cover the Q&A feature in an upcoming lesson. The Meeting Notes pane lets you take notes for the live event. Access to these notes is limited to the event organizer and presenters or producers of the live event. You can type directly into the pane. The notes are automatically saved. The Conversation pane provides a place for the event organizer, producers, and presenters to chat with each other and coordinate efforts. Attendees cannot see the live event's chat. The Participants pane lets you monitor the current audience and invite others to join. To invite someone, type their name into the Invite Someone field and select them from the resulting list. The Device Settings pane lets you adjust device and live event settings by using the drop-downs, sliders, and buttons. Finally, the Info pane shows information about the event and how to join. To leave a live event while it continues, click the Leave button to the left of the Live Event toolbar. To end a live event for everyone, click the End button that appears below the live event area. Remember, you can't stop a live event and restart it. To confirm ending the live event, click the End Live Event button. Once a live event is over, you can download reports, including any Q&A session, the recording of the live event if enabled, and an attendee engagement report. To download the reports, click the Calendar button in the app bar. Double-click the live event in the calendar to open the invitation. Scroll down to the Live Event Resources and click the Download button next to the desired report.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.